Shadows crawl and night is deep. Dreams are wolves that never sleep. Heartbeats roar, quiet or unseen.
I made this song with no music or video skills, just creativity and free AI tools. Pop songs dominate the charts, and their videos pull in billions of views. But even if you hate your singing voice or prefer to stay off camera, you can still make your own hit. Now let me show you how to make the perfect one. First, we need to generate a song. I'm using Suno AI to create the track. First, go to sunoai.com and you'll find the dashboard. Suno AI is an AI tool that helps you create real-sounding music, including singing and instruments, just by typing what you want. Now click on the Create option. Here you'll find the Describe Your Song option. You can upload your own audio or type in your lyrics to create a brand new song. In the audio section, there's also a recording option available. In the lyrics section, you can add your own lyrics and even choose the style. Since I'm not a professional and don't have lyrics, I'll keep it simple and use an easy method. Just click on the Simple option, and you'll see a place to describe your song. Here, I'll enter a text prompt. This prompt is customized to create an outstanding song, but you can modify it to make your own. Check out the description box below to get the prompt. I add emotional cinematic EDM with powerful female vocals, dramatic build-up, and uplifting synth drop. Inspiring, bold, and theatrical atmosphere in the prompt box. Below, you'll find inspiration options like punk, choppy techno, K-pop, and more. I'm choosing K-pop for this example. Now click on Create, and in just a few seconds, your song will be ready. Now let's listen to the song.
Shadows crawl and night is deep. Dreams are wolves that never sleep. Heartbeats roar, quiet or unseen.
These songs are amazing, and Suno AI works even better than I expected. The song is ready. Now it's time to create your AI singer. We'll be using Pix Lumen AI for this. Go to Pix Lumen AI. You can also use Leonardo, Ideogram, Midjourney, or other AI tools. Now click on Generate for free. Then click on the Create option. Now paste this prompt, check the description box. You can also try your own prompts and customize them for better results. Select the aspect ratio you need. I'm choosing 16.9. Click on Generate. This process might take a bit more time than usual, so please be patient and wait a few moments while it finishes generating. The images are ready and they look incredibly stunning, almost like real. Now download the images. Now it's time to bring these images to life. Let's make them sing for us. Head over to the Lemonslice website. Lemonslice AI is a video foundation model and platform that enables creating expressive, talking characters from a single photo or image in real time. Once you're on the site, click on Create Video. Now click here and upload the image of your generated singer. Make sure the image is clear, detailed, and the face is fully visible. Once the image is uploaded, it's time to upload the AI-generated song. Click on Select Audio and upload your song. Note that the maximum upload length is 5 minutes. You can trim the audio if you only want to use a smaller part of the song.
Shadows crawl and night is deep. Dreams are wolves that never sleep. Heartbeats roar, quiet or unseen.
Now select the video model to generate your music video. The Auto Select mode automatically picked the best settings for your image. Normal mode works best when the face takes up a large portion of the image. Now click on Generate and in a few seconds your clip will be ready. You can create a full song the same way, but keep in mind it might not look as realistic. For better results, trim the song like I did and then generate the video. Now download the video. Using the same method, create the other parts of the music video. I'm doing this because we'll be using these smaller sections of the song for editing later. Now it's time to create the singer's visuals using AI tools. I'll be using Hailious AI for this, but you can also use other platforms like Kling AI or Pixverse. Go to the Hailious AI website. We'll create more images of the singer's character, and then use those images to make a stunning video. After signing up on Hailious AI, you'll get 200 credits. You can also use multiple accounts to create a longer video. Now click to generate the image. Then upload your generated image, ensuring the face is clearly shown and the details are visible. This process may take some time, but it will analyze the image and accurately detect the primary face. In the prompt box, add the prompt you'll find in the description box. You can also add your own prompt. Now click Create. You will get 4 images, all showing the same face as our singer model. Download these images, and you can create more using the same method. Hailious AI maintains character consistency and always helps you get the perfect images. Next, let's transform the images into a stunning video with Hailious AI. Click on the Video option to begin creating your video. You will see a prompt box where you need to upload the images you previously generated. After uploading, paste the prompt provided into the prompt box. The platform offers different prompts for various visual effects, so you can use any of those or add your own custom prompt to personalize the video. Once everything is set, review your inputs carefully, then click the Generate button to start the video creation process. I create more videos the same way, only changing the image and the prompt. Once the videos are generated, we will use a video editor to finalize the results. Now, export all your videos and audios, import them into Capcut, and arrange them on the timeline in the correct sequence. Remember, the final editing is what will make the video outstanding and keep the audience hooked. At the lip syncing part, mute the singer's audio while keeping the music running. Make sure the lip movements match perfectly with the music for a seamless effect. Use video transitions and effects, including zoom in and zoom out to add more dynamics. For better editing, Adobe Premiere Pro is ideal, but if you're not an expert, Capcut works perfectly fine too. So pay extra attention during the stage. Once everything is perfectly edited, export the final video. Here are the results.
Shadows crawl and night is deep. Dreams are wolves that never sleep. Heartbeats roar quiet or unseen.